Career Calling's 10-step series is a set of online interactive courses to identify your career of choice, prepare and achieve success in your career of choice, all made easy by following 10 proven steps in each interactive course. Our goal at Career Calling is to help you in your transition and be successful in your careers. We take it upon ourselves to improve the lives of people connected with us by giving them the options that can make them successful in future. Our interactive courses are very practical and implementable immediately, thus are easier to understand, implement and benefit from when you need it the most. These interactive courses also have audio in the background explaining the content. Some of the interactive courses we offer are 10 steps to a career, 10 reasons why my resume was not shortlisted, 10 common mistakes in a job interview, 10 key points on grooming and etiquette, 10 questions to understand a position, 10 items in an interview day checklist. All of our interactive courses content is original built by experts in the career domain who have multiple years of experience in education and technology, using research insights to help the interactive course taker. To understand the topics, you can go through the simple examples within the interactive courses that will help you to put your thoughts into actions and execute on your plan. Career Calling learning environment enables you to plan for your career of your choice and prepare yourself to achieve and succeed at this. The interactive courses are simple and easy to follow and have actionable items that you can implement to achieve success. Going through the interactive courses will make you realize your strengths, weaknesses, and understand where you stand to succeed. All the interactive courses are made accessible online and can be accessed any time of the day without worrying about missing a class or session. The interactive courses can be taken any number of times for a year of purchase. A small set of questions before taking the interactive course makes you think on the goals of each of the interactive course and how you will benefit by it. Once you go through the interactive course, you will be able to take a small quiz to understand if you have effectively understood what is explained in the interactive course. And you can make use of social learning with your audience's help, enriching your ideas with their comments and feedback on our Facebook page. Career Calling is an edutech company trying to help individuals reach their goal in life by providing tools required to identify, build, and showcase their skills. So what are you waiting for? Log on to www.careercalling.me to start working on your career and realize your potential in 3 simple steps: register, purchase, and start learning immediately. Come, join us to take your career places.